If you're a DIY enthusiast that lives with pups, then you probably will relate to most of our videos. But try tackling home projects with 10 colossal canines by your side. Picture this, laying pavers, but your Saint Berdoodle thinks it's her dance floor. Gardening? It's more like a doggy digging competition. And painting? Let's just say the walls aren't the only things getting a fresh coat. Building a gate? Prepare for a furry inspection team. Pool maintenance? Never ending with 40-plus paws in the pool. But amidst the chaos and slobber, there's a lot of laughter and love. Because who needs perfection when you've got puppy pandemonium? So grab your coffee, embrace our madness, and watch our furry friends turn our DIY projects into unforgettable adventures. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe to not miss any up-and-coming DIY mammoth homestead projects.